Imagine you're a business owner about to go on a vacation for a month. You may not be able to respond to incoming emails, and your wife gets upset when you keep checking them during dinner. Well, stress no more. With Gmail's powerful automation features, you can streamline your email management process effortlessly. Today, we are going to show you how to automate forwarding Gmail messages to another email address seamlessly. First things first, let's log on to your Gmail account. Once you're in, navigate to the settings menu. It's the gear icon in the top right hand corner. Click on it and the drop down menu will appear. From here, select See All Settings. This will take you to the main menu page of the settings. Now look for the forwarding and the pop IMAP tab. Click on it and you'll see the options for forwarding your mail to another email address. Click on the Add Forwarding Address. A window will pop up and where you can enter the email address you want to forward to Gmail to. Once you've entered the email address, click Next. Gmail will send you a verification email to that address to confirm that you have access to it. Now, in front of you, add a forwarding address. A confirmation link has already been sent to this email address to verify permission. Now, let's go to the address. Over here, we have already received an email and it says to click on this link that is at the bottom. And now, if you go back on this email address, the one you want to forward from, refresh it, and you're going to see that in front of this option, forward a copy of incoming mail to Barlas gmail.com is in use. You can choose to keep Gmail's copy in your inbox, mark it as read, archive it, or delete it. Select the option that suits your best needs. Click Save. A time to put it to test. Send a test email to your account from another email address, and if everything is working correctly, you should receive the email in your Gmail inbox and copy should be forwarded to the email address you specified. Now, another thing, you're going to see this notice at the top of your Gmail account. You are forwarding your email to this particular email address, and this notice will end in 7 days. Ignore it, that's not a big problem. Now, you have successfully set up the forwarding from Gmail to another email address. Now you can stay organized and ensure that you never miss an important email, no matter which account you are checking. That's the end of today's tutorial on forwarding Gmail to another email address. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tutorials. Have a great day and happy forwarding.